Welcome to your own YouTube channel Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh, and in this video we are going to show how to create a mining rig. In our today's video, I'll build a mining rig using a RTX 3090, and I'll try my best to guide you step by step, each and every step, so that you can also build your own mining rig. So we are building this for mining Ethereum. Obviously, currently Ethereum is the most profitable coin for mining crypto. So without wasting much time, let's continue today's video. So guys, let's build own mining rig. I'm connecting my motherboard and using this cable tie to fix this permanently. And as you can see on the motherboard, RAM and processor is also there. I'm using 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and Intel i3 processor. I hope you watched the last video. I created this iron rig, mining rig at my home using this iron angle. I created this. This is a homemade mining rig. So let's cut the extra cable tie. This is a SMPS 850 watt SMPS. This is the cable for motherboard. Let's connect this end with the power supply unit. Another end will connect with the motherboard. This cable is for processor. This end will connect with a PSU, power supply unit. Another end will connect on a motherboard. This cable is for my SATA hard drive. This is PCI cable for giving power to the graphics card. This is also for graphics card. This two cable I'll use on a single RTX 3090. This is for motherboard and processor. This is for SATA hard drive. This is another PCI cable to giving a power to a riser. I'll show you how we will use riser. Don't miss any point. Let's fix this power supply unit into a mining rig. I'll use double tape and cable tie to fix this. Now this end will connect on a motherboard. This will connect on a processor port. I found this power supply is faulty. This is not working. We have to remove this 850 watt of power supply. Instead of, we are using this Antac 1000 watt power supply. This is working fine. Using this, my computer is turning on. Let's remove this and put another power supply like this Antac 1000 watt. All the cable connection will remain same. Don't worry, it doesn't matter which brand power supply unit you are using, all the cables and connection will remain same. So I'm going to use another 1000 watt power supply for this mining rig. We are going to use one connector so that we can turn on both power supply unit at the same time using a single button. So this connector will help us to turn on both power supply unit using a single button. We are going to connect this motherboard and slot with this connector. Let's connect another 24 pin slot. Now let's connect SATA hard drive and connect this end with the motherboard using this SATA cable. Let's connect the cable for giving power to the SSD. And I'll mount this using a cable tie and double tape. Now this is a riser. One end will connect on a motherboard and this is a slot on a PCI slot. I connected the end. Now using this PCI cable, I am giving a power to the riser. Now this cable will power up the riser. Because this is a RTX 3090, so we can't use a SATA cable to power up the riser because it's consume around 350 watts, so we can't take risk. Let's mount our first graphics card using our cable tie. Let's connect second graphics card. Again we have to connect the riser and we have to connect the power supply with the riser, and we will mount this as well using a cable tie. On the top of the graphics card, you can see that PCI cables are connected on a top. So now I'm doing it quickly in a fast forward mode. I'm using one more cable tie for a precaution because these cards are very heavy in weight as well as price, so we can't take risk. So this is a PCI cable we have to put on a top of the graphics card. Now this mining rig is fully functional and working properly. Initially I'm using Windows 10. Later on I'll install Hive OS. Currently my RTX 3090 is pending and yet to deliver. On the next day I received one more RTX 3090. So here you can see that this rig is fully functional, and I can still connect one more RTX 3090 and we don't have to make any changes on an existing rig. So guys, I tried my best to guide you for building a mining rig. I hope you learned something new, and if you want to ask any question you can connect with me. I'm giving my Telegram address in a description box. You can also ask any question if you have in your mind using a comment section. And if you are liking my work and efforts, so as your appreciation, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in a next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.